Story 2. Super Samantha.
Hello, my name is Nora and I'm a storyteller.
Hello, my name is Ino and I'm Rebecca.
Hello, my name is Nora and I'm Samantha.
Hello, my name is Ian and I'm the computer.
Hello, my name is Annie and I'm the voice.
Hello, my name is Paula and I am a boy.
Samantha's at home. She's writing a email.
Turun, turun. Hi Samantha, it's Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you want to come to the cinema?
No, sorry, I'm busy. I'm writing an email. Suddenly, there's a message.
Super Samantha, we need your help. A boy's in trouble. He's in a lift at 65 Main Road and he can't get out.
Samantha's putting on her super glasses and her super coat. She's flying over the city.
Look, it's Super Samantha. Someone's in trouble.
Help! Help! Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm opening the doors now. Thank you,
Super Samantha.
Bye, take care. Samantha's at home. She's reading a comic.
Turun, turun. Hi Samantha, it's Rebecca. What are we doing now?
I'm reading a comic.
Oh dear, what a boring afternoon.
Yes, a very boring afternoon.